Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the BlueStack on your PC, and after that, so we are going to open it. So let's search for the BlueStack, and now we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the BlueStack is open. Now it's loading. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, now it's done, and now I'm going to cut this one and now make it on full screen, and after that we have to write the game name here. For example, I'm going to write the like AFK Arena, and after writing the name you will see some suggestions here. You can choose the game whatever you want, whichever you want. For example, I want this one, so let's click on this. And after clicking on this, now simply we have to click on this button which is called install on a player. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this it will take few seconds again in loading, so we have to wait. So as you can see, the game is here now open. Now but simply if you want to see the details of the game, you can also do that, like the downloads are 10 million pillars and the size of the game is 126 MB and the top rated 7 and like this, and you can see all the details here. And now simply you have to click on the install button, and after clicking on the install button it will take few seconds or few minutes in installation process. It's up to your internet speed, and after completion of installation process you will be able to play the game. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.